Learning a new language can feel overwhelming. Textbooks, flashcards, grammar drills. But what if I told you the secret might be something as simple as listening to stories? In this video, I'll show you how to use our story videos to learn a language, step by step. You'll learn how to understand native speech more easily, speak with better pronunciation, and build vocabulary that actually sticks. This works for any language you're learning, and I'll give you real tips to try today. Start with the first watch. Don't worry about understanding everything. Just watch the story like you would a short movie. Let it flow. Try to guess the meaning from context. What are the characters doing? What emotion do you hear in their voices? Can you follow the plot without translating every word? After your first watch, pause and write a short sentence in your native language. What do you think happened? Now it's time for active listening. Rewatch the story, but slow it down. Yes, literally slow it down. Use the playback speed button on YouTube to go to 0.75 or even 0.5 speed. Turn on subtitles if they're available, ideally in the target language. Pause after each sentence and repeat it in your head. Ask yourself, what words do I already know? What grammar patterns do I notice? Is this formal or informal? Week 1, with subtitles. Week 2, with shadowing. Week 3, no subtitles, no pausing. Each time, you'll build more fluency and confidence. You can also turn stories into speaking practice. Try retelling the story in your own words. Describe one of the characters. Make up a new ending. Talk about a time something similar happened to you. Even if you're a beginner, you can start small. Simple sentences are powerful. The girl goes to the market. Then she sees a dog. Later, you'll add more detail and structure. You can even use voice-to-text on your phone to check your pronunciation as you speak. Story video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our full playlist of story videos. And let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to learn with stories?